Today we are gonna cook tofu, stir-fried tofu in 5 Asian sauces. This is gonna be something amazing that you can make at home. All you need is a box of tofu that you can buy in the supermarket. It's very cheap. I pay around like $1.50. Or you can make your own tofu. I can make a video and show you how to make tofu at home. You know, when you make it at home, the quality is much better. But this time we're gonna use one from the supermarket. And when you buy it, you bring it home and make sure you use like paper towel just to dry all the water or the weight that is in there. We don't need it. Just try to dry as much as you can. And then after that, you're gonna cut it in blocks or slices. I like to eat tofu, and when you make it at home, it's cheaper too. But if you buy in restaurant, it's kind of expensive. Okay, just start cutting tofu this way. We're gonna fry it. Now, if you don't want to fry it, you can also put it in the air fryer machine without oil. We probably will do that next time. Or you can put it on a grill or a smoker. It's up to you. In a pan, we're gonna add some oil. Just wait for the oil to be hot, and then start putting all the slices of tofu. See, we want to dry it because we don't want the oil to like be jumping all over our kitchen. That's the way to cook tofu. Now, some people boil it too. You can boil it, and that way you don't have to worry about the oil. But there's so many ways to cook tofu. Let's stick with frying the tofu. We want to get like a brown color on each side. When you start seeing the brown color, just flip them over. You can use a fork, take your time. And that's all we have to do for the moment. Okay, we already finished. Now we're gonna need to take out the tofu and put some paper towel on top of a plate and start placing all the tofu in there. And we already finished cooking the tofu this way. Okay. Now we're gonna prepare something amazing. We're gonna use a lot of Asian sauces. I hope you find them. We're gonna start using soy sauce, which is low in sodium. Okay, we're gonna use around like 5 or 8 tablespoons. I'm gonna calculate here. I don't wanna measure everything. You don't have to worry about that. I like to use this hoisin sauce. It's very good. It gives tofu a nice flavor. Just put a little bit in there, like 3 or 4 tablespoons. Now we're gonna use also a perrins sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Just put some in there. Don't turn on the stove yet, okay? And now we're gonna use some black bean garlic sauce. You can find all these products in an Asian supermarket, or you can buy them online, which is gonna be more expensive. I like to use a little bit of sesame oil. Just gives a nice flavor to it. As you can see, I'm using around 5 or 6 sauces in here. And I like to use what's the name of this? This is called oyster sauce, okay? Yeah, put some in there. It's not gonna be salty, don't worry. And at the end, I like to put some dark soy sauce with like mushroom flavor. Now you can put some water in there too. It's not gonna be salty because we're gonna use some like brown sugar. I'm gonna use like 3 tablespoons of that. And this is gonna be almost like a little bit of water. It's gonna be almost like a barbecue Asian tofu, like a barbecue sauce. And just start combining everything here. Now the stove is on. Just keep it on medium heat. You can put some cornstarch if you want your sauce to be like heavy or thick. I don't want that. I just want to wait for the sauce to be boiling. And that's it. Okay. Now in a different pan, I'm gonna use some of that sauce. I'm not gonna use it all. You can also like keep it in the refrigerator for like maybe next day if you want to cook some more tofu later on. Make sure you use a strainer because we use some like black garlic sauce, and we want a clean sauce in there. Now we're gonna put in there all the tofu because we want the tofu to get all those flavor from the sauces, and we also want the tofu to get a nice color too. With a tablespoon, just start combining everything. This is so easy to make at home. Now in my next recipe, you're gonna see how to make sweet and sour tofu. Instead of eating meat and chicken and pork every day, just let's try to eat more protein or more tofu. Yeah, tofu has a lot of good benefits, for our body. And just put some like green onions in there, and that's it. That's how you cook tofu this way, and you're gonna like it. Make sure you eat it right away, because if you leave it for like later on or the next day, the tofu is gonna get tough and kind of hard. Just eat it right away. I like to put some like rice in here with vegetables. Maybe I'll show you how to make rice in the next video, okay? I like to cook rice at home with some vegetables, and then I like to put the tofu on top, and then put some of the black sauce on top. And at the end, I like to finish with some not black bean, but I like to put some sesame seeds, like toasted sesame seed. And thank you for watching. This is something easy. Hope you give it a try. Alright? Enjoy tofu. There are many ways to cook it. You can also eat it in soup. You can eat it like in chorizo. Wow. We're gonna be uploading a lot of videos, how to cook tofu. But this is one of my favorite recipes. Alright, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching the video. And make sure to subscribe and come back to our channel. We're gonna be uploading more videos very soon. Alright. Put some more like green onions on top of it.